Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel PayPal automatic payments. So this is going to come in handy in case you're paying some subscriptions with PayPal and you no longer want to be part of those subscriptions. So this is going to save you money, and it's also very important to make sure you know what subscriptions you are paying for, just so that you're not throwing money out in the wind. So the steps in this video are going to be fairly short and simple, so do follow along all the way up until the end of the video. So what we're going to first do is log onto our PayPal account. And so for demonstration purposes, I'm going to be using a business PayPal account. It looks like this here on the home page. On the upper right hand side, you're going to toggle or hover over your name and then scroll down to where it says account settings. So go ahead and click on account settings. Now from here, you're going to, on the left hand side, scroll down to where it says payment preferences under account and security. So let's click on payment preferences. Now for here, if you scroll down, you're going to see this option called set automatic payments. And underneath it says make recurring payments automatically. Go ahead and click on set automatic payments. Now your window here might look different depending on if you have automatic payments already signed up or set up with PayPal. In my case, I do not have any automatic payments set up. So let's actually go ahead and click on set automatic payments. Now on this page, you can see all the active recurring payments that you currently have on your PayPal account. And you can also see the inactive payments that you've canceled, or technically I've canceled. So under active, you could actually manage your automatic payments from here. And so this is a really nice way to actually just get a really good idea of what payments are automatically being paid through your PayPal account. So whichever one you want to cancel automatically, you can click on HelloFresh, Windows, Hulu, Netflix, GNC. Go ahead and click on that merchant and then click on manage and then cancel that automatic payment. So that is how to actually go ahead and manage your automatic payments on PayPal. If you know of an easier way to actually do this, let me know down below in the comments because I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.